we're getting ready for Grandma to come over, go trick-or-treating. Cooper wanted me to vlog, so I'm starting the video now. Cooper, what are you most excited about for Halloween?
Having round table and going trick-or-treating.
It's kind of nasty out, but I think we'll still have fun, right?
Vinny, I miss you a lot. Vinny, I miss you a lot, and I hope you and your family have a great time trick-or-treating tonight. And I heard that it's 82 degrees in Arizona and sunny.
Jealous.
For
it's
you,
pouring
Vinny.
rain
So
and cold here.
So you're lucky, Vinny. You have a nice, good weather in Arizona.
I want my turn.
There's a fireman. And Carter has a really cool costume we'll have to show you guys in a few minutes. We just got back. We saw K-pop Demon Hunters in the movie theaters, the sing-along. Which, that was my first time seeing that whole movie. It was good. K-pop Demon Hunter was a good movie. Happy Halloween! And there's Spider-Man over there. You see him over there on the table. And Cooper, what are you going to be?
I am being Mr. Incredible again like I was last year because the costume still fits me.
Nice. Alright, happy Halloween. We'll say hi to Corey in a minute. Alright, Carter is Mario riding Yoshi. Go on a little walk. Ride Yoshi around, Mario. How fast can Yoshi go? Is there a firefighter here? Is there a firefighter? Jesus. Is Jack Skellington here? Oh, now show everyone your Daisy.com. Disney bound. So super fun. There's a fire. We'll put it out.
Guys. 6, 7.
It's the 67th Halloween.
6, 7, guys.
Beautiful day out here. Are you guys ready to go say hi to Grandma Peterson to start trick-or-treating? It's not too cold, but it's definitely rainy. Where's the sun? It was beautiful last night, Carson. Yeah, use your bucket as a hat, but what are you going to put the candy?
I'll just take it off and I can go in the umbrella. No!
Yeah?
No, you can just eat it. You can just put it in. Were you able to wear those costumes for me? Okay.
You excited for Halloween?
Yeah, 6, 7.
6, 7. Yep, sit right on the ground. There you go. Right here, Cody. And lean back.
Lean back.
Perfect. Good job.
Yep, there you go. Okay.
Caleb's here. Cason's here. You guys gonna take a group picture. Group picture.
Cody, come over here.
It's Donald Duck. Olivia's sidekick, or Chloe's sidekick. Okay, they're heading to the neighbor's house. We're like Dracula on their door. That's cool. Okay, give us a status update.
It's finally stopped raining. It's not raining right now. And look at my candy.
Wow, there is so much. We've really even done any houses. Cody, you have. I know. We got lucky. It stopped raining. It's just windy, but it's not raining. How's Mario doing? Mario. Creepy Seahawks fan. I like the decorations here. It's so windy. Hurricane. Status update. What's the status on the Halloween?
Good.
What'd you get? Let me see. Nachos. Yum. You having fun? Are you gonna go out all night?
Yeah.
You think you're gonna get a whole bucket of candy? And you're gonna eat it all tonight?
Yeah.
My God, look, we have matching ears.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
6, 7.
6, 7. Okay, have you guys gotten any candy yet?
Mine's almost full, by the way.
Almost full.
Look.
Oh my goodness. You ready? Okay. Let's go get some more candy.
Okay.
Camden and Cooper are fighting for who rings the doorbell, and it's hilarious. I'll try to get a video at the next house. Okay, Camden's running to get the doorbells to beat Cooper.
I know.
Did you get the doorbell, Cam?
I did.
It doesn't. It seems pretty quiet. Like it's dark in there. I don't think anyone's home. Cooper's gonna ring the bell before you. Better run. Can you reach it? Wow, you guys got the jackpot. Did you get a lot of candy, Cam?
Yeah.
That full-size Reese's peanut butter cup, though, you don't want that.
What?
I think that one's poison. Cody likes Hershey's. He's had about 15 of them.
Oh, they are good. I just haven't
Have we had a lot of... Oh my gosh, you guys, I completely forgot to end the video. It's November 2nd.
Yeah.
And we already put... What did we put up? What did we put up yesterday in our house?
House?
What decoration?
Christmas?
We put up a Christmas tree.
Not God, the Christmas tree put away.
Hey, Cody. Did you have a good Halloween, Cody?
Yes.
We can do like
Good day of Halloween.
tell everyone Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Camden, what about you? Did you have a good Halloween?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I did.
Bye.